Wagwan guys, this morning I'm right here to show you how you can make money on high and low in an easy way, which I call the high and low premium. Yes, I actually make use of high and low premium to make money on this system. But before I go, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification. I still remain AB Casino, popularly known as More Tips Tech. So guys, and again, my videos, my content here on this channel are meant for educational purposes. I'm not advising or encouraging anyone into any form of gambling. Okay, I'm only teaching how you can go about you making money on this system. All right, so guys, let's go into it. So first and foremost, I will give you a tips which normal individual can come into the system can make use of when trading on high and low. So first thing you need to do when you, if you don't really have a strategy that you want to use and you want to trade on high and low, don't forget high and low is the total number of the numbers that are going to come. You are going to select any of these two. All right, so now let's go guys. So as a normal individual, you want to select the high and low that you want it to show up. You can see on the last result here we are having high, here. So now would you know that okay, the next coming one, what result is going to bring? So as a normal individual, this is what I want you to look out for. So first thing you have to check the last table here. Check what is the outcome of the last table. It brings what? It brings high. So you now reverse it to low. Since one is bringing high, then you reverse it to low. Automatically you're expecting low to come out. That's just a normal and an ethics tips which I think a normal individual can just make use of. So let's try it and let's see if it's going to work. So I'm going to be going for low and I'll be trading with just 500 naira. So let's see if it's going to work. All right, let's see if it's going to work. All right, as you can see here, it does not work, right? It does not work. So it does not work, guys. So what we need to do again is we go again, you pick another one. This one is low, then you convert it to high. So let's see if it's going to work again. At least if you can go for like two times thereabouts. Okay, let's see. You can go about two times thereabout. I mean, two to three times thereabout. So if it doesn't still come out, then that means it doesn't work. But if it comes out before two to three thereabout, then definitely it is still okay because the odds is still very much okay. The odds is still very much okay. Can you see we won? Can you say we won with interest? All right. So on the other way around, there's another one which I call the high and low premium. You see that one? There's no way you will not win any bet you place on it because it's very accurate. All right. This one I just show you just an individual tips that you can just have at the back of your mindset when coming up to the system trading on high and low, and you don't have a genuine or strong pattern you are making use of. All right. So now the one I want to make use of right now, this one you can totally stake all you have on the system and you get an accurate result. So let's go guys. I'm going to be doing my calculations while you'll be watching what I'm going to be doing. So first and foremost, I will go to my high and low frequency table. Then I will need to refresh to check what I'm having at the moment. All right. After that, I will go to my 24 hours to see the frequency. There's a meaning to all this. Okay, everything has a meaning. They all has a meaning. All right. To check how long they have been coming up. All right. All right. So the last one, I also go again and go for my all time. So you can see. So good. So now I've already detected some certain things. Then I will now go here and see what is going on. So I'm going to be going for low this time around. So just watch, guys. I can stake all my capital on this because I'm very much sure that low is going to come out. So just watch, guys. We are going to be having low. Low is very, very certain. So let's see if it's going to come out as a low, guys. Just watch, guys. Can you see? This one is over low. When they said over low, this is what they called over low, guys. Because it doesn't even enter. Okay, it entered 109. Can you see? It's very low. Alright, so that's just that about that. Please, this strategy is just for few people I'll be giving it out to, and it's going to be your first come, first serve. For those who find it interested, don't forget first come, first serve. Alright, so see you guys on my next video while I'll be working on Rainbow 3 Plus updates and I think um winning color as well. All right. So this is for the high and low premium update. So anyone who is interested should come for it. So see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye. Peace out.